friends. Welcome to another episode on marriage and family. And I am really excited. Even through this short video, I can able to reach and I can able to give some valuable information. I can give you some sense. I believe that this will be very useful. So right now, I'm going to talk to you about understanding communication. So, sometimes the issue is like this. We all know the word communication, but we never taken a time to study or learn or understand anything about a communication. So if at all one important skill in your life you have to learn means, I want to encourage you to go and learn about communication skill. Maybe in coming days and later in some other video, I will share with you, what books you can read, how you can able to learn about it. Because you know what, I want to tell you my personal experience. For so many years, I used to hear about communication, but communication is important in the marriage and all those things. But I don't know really what it is. How what communication really means, how I can able to understand, and how I can able to improve my communication. And I was not able to understand all those things. But for you to begin with in the short video, I cannot able, because communication itself is a very big subject. So I'm going to share something which will be very useful, which you can easily understand in this short video. So I want to tell you, in this video I want to talk to you about understanding the male and female communication style. So the male and female communication style is totally different. Why? Because male and female think differently, understand things differently, perceive things differently, interpret things differently. So for example, I want to tell you, women is a emotional feeler. They talk their feeling, whatever they feel, that is what they are thinking. So but most of the time they are talking their feelings, whatever they feel. It may not be anything to do with logic, but you know what, whatever they feel they will talk. But the problem with the men is they are logical thinkers. They lack the certain level of feelings. They cannot able to understand your feeling, but they think very logically. So that's why it's very difficult in the marriage, and the husband and wife is, for them to understand each other is very difficult. Why? Because the husband is thinking logically, and whatever the wife is saying, doesn't make sense for him, and therefore he get angry. Why can't you even able to understand the small things? And whatever you're saying, there is no logic into it. I don't know what to do with you. That's a kind of frustration men has with women, especially with their wife. Because what, for women it's all their feelings. They cannot able to think logically, most of the time. So women is a emotional feeler and men is a logical thinker. It's very important for us to understand this, at least. So when a woman talks, she talks what she feels. So for men, minus feeling, but only logic. They talk, things in a logical level. So therefore, the women feels that, my husband don't understand. And the same way, the men also feels that my wife is not understanding. And the most of the time, the problem is, what? The man's complaint is, my wife don't understand me. And the women's complaint is, my husband will never listen to me. You understand? The wife complaint is, my husband will never listen. So today we're going to try to, as much as possible in this, this short video, I want to tell you how we can able to, at least a little bit, we can able to resolve this issue. So as a woman, you should understand that, men thinks logically, therefore he was not able to understand your feelings. So when you talk to men, trying to talk little logic into it. At the same time, I also want to tell men, when you talk to women, even though there is no logic, certain things, try to understand their feeling. Look at them, pay attention to them, try to feel what they're feeling, because what happens sometimes, men, lack feeling. The women will be crying, and the men don't have a clue, why you're crying, for small things. Because the woman is an emotional feeler, and she feels something and she's crying. I remember I used to study in hostel. So after the vacation over, I have to go to hostel back. So before I leave my house, every time my mother used to cry. So instead of my daddy, I'm trying to understand, why my mother is crying, instead of comforting my mother, and my daddy used to get irritated. Why you cry all the time whenever he goes? Send him happily. Why you're crying? If you don't want to send him, just keep him in the house. That's all. So I used to tell him, even those days, I used to tell him, Daddy, try to understand. She's women, and she is going to miss me. That's why she's crying. So we need to understand. Tell her that, don't cry, don't worry. You will finish your study, it will come soon. Just comfort her, that's all. Because my daddy thinks logically, and he was not able to understand the feeling. So he just tell my mother, why are you crying all the time? So that's how it's like this. Women are, emotional feeler. Men are logical thinkers. So when a women go for shopping, when they see things, they are very excited. They look at the things and say, wow, you see, that is so beautiful. And sometimes they show the husband, look at this, this is so beautiful. But the wife is so excited, the wife is so happy, but you have to look at the husband's face. He will have a question mark in his face, like, okay, it's beautiful, but how much? All the time he's thinking about how much. You just tell me how much it will cost. So women are not concerned, first of all, with how much. They are excited about the product, the dress, or whatever it may be. They are so happy, and they are appreciating the beauty, and they like it immediately, and they are not thinking about how much. For men, it's not about all those things. Directly tell me how much, then we'll tell whether it is beautiful or not, whether we can able to buy it or not. So first you tell me how much. That's what going on in the mind. So that's what. So I want to tell you, as a man, we have to listen to our wife and trying to connect with her in an emotional level. At the same time, as much as possible, wife also try to connect with the husband and trying to understand his point of logic. So this is very important. And you know what? The problem is we are not communicating. You see, talking is not communication. And even I'm telling you, conversation is also not a communication. And most of the time, we are not even having a quality conversation also. Uh, Most of the time, we talk to each other, when we are argue, fighting, that is the time we talk to each other. Otherwise, we don't even talk much, even with our own husband or a wife. So it's like it's like we are not sitting and trying to communicate and understand each other. And when there is an issue, there is an argument, we talk to each other. I can tell you, rather than I can tell you, we are not even talking to each other, we are talking at each other. We get angry and we accuse and criticize your husband. You are not listening, and the husband criticize, you will never listen to me, you never understand me. This is how we try to communicate. This is how we talk to each other. But the communication is like, we have to, it's a kind of a preparation is needed. They say that, we whatever we are going to say, we're going to say it in the right time. If you want to sow seed, the soil has to be prepared. So whenever we try to sow anything in unprepared soil, and the seed is going to be waste, no matter how powerful the seed is. So it's all about preparing a person, first of all, so that that person will be ready to receive what you're going to say. So communication, if you can able to write this down, in this past videos I never told anything to write, but I want to tell you, if possible, if you're watching this, try to write this down. Communication is all about understanding what that person is saying, trying to interpret it in the way according to the speaker's intention. That's what very important. So the key to communication is understanding, but for the key to understanding is listening. So listening is a lost art. We are not able to listen now, especially after this mobile phone comes. Everyone, we are in this phone, and we do something, we keep scrolling, we checking some message, sending message, and that's how we listen, that's how we talk to other person also. We are not able to keep everything aside and pay full attention. So paying attention to the person and listening to that person. So the key to communication is understanding, and the key to understanding is listening. you know it's very important that most of the time, we never properly listen to each other. We don't even have a proper habit of communicating, trying to talk, open our heart and share how you feel and what you think. Sometimes when a person is want to talk and the other person is not ready, and that creates a frustration to a partner. When a husband wants to want to talk to his wife and the wife is not listening, when the wife wants to talk to the husband is not listening, and that create a lot of anger and frustration in the marriage. So I want to tell you, we need to take us some time to listen to each other, allow the partner to talk, and without any judging. Full attention. Full attention means your spirit, soul, body, your ears, your eyes, and everything. You have to give full attention to the person, to your partner, as she talks, as he talks, so that you can listen fully and understand fully. Most of the time, we don't want to listen. We always wants to talk. We don't have enough patience to listen. It's like, I also want to talk, my wife also wants to talk, and nobody wants to listen. So we need to take us some time. Okay, what do you want to tell? I'll fully listen. And fully, in listening time, sometime you're not really listening, you're just waiting for her to finish, you're just waiting for him to finish so that you can start, you can give back your answers. So stop everything about just waiting for that person to finish, and so that you can start talking. Okay, are you finished? Okay, let me talk now. Okay, people are just eager, waiting when that other person will stop talking so that they can start. Stop doing that. Take a time, relax, patiently listen, and trying to understand the other person point of view, other person logic, and also their feelings. So once you understand, once you listen carefully, without listening properly, we cannot able to understand. The problem is, first of all, we are not listening to each other. So whether you learn anything about communication today, at least understand this, the key to communication is understanding, and the key to understanding is listening. Allow your husband to talk. What is the frustrating thing is, when the husband trying to talk to you, you will not listen. You look at here, look at there. Yeah, I'm listening. Tell me. You don't like what that person, never think that the person is complaining. He's just telling his problem, he's just sharing his pain. So just have a compassion to your partner with a loving heart. Okay, just trying to listen from what they are saying. So when you listen to them, you can able to understand. So if your wife is talking, don't try to do anything with the phone. If you are doing something, either you tell, if you're busy with some work, please let's talk in such and such a time, right now I am busy. Or else stop whatever you're doing, give them a full attention. So when you started to listen to each other, we can able to solve a lot of problems. The problem is, we are not listening, and we are not fully opening our heart and expressing our feeling. We are just shouting at each other. We are just accusing, criticizing, finding fault at each other. That's what we are doing. We are not really communicating. For you to communicate, that person's heart should be prepared. There should be a proper settings and proper time. You have to tell the right thing in the right time. When you try to tell something when they are not prepared, and they are not going to receive it. So this is a short video, so I'm not going to take much time to explain on so many things. Maybe in coming days we'll only talk about communication. But as for now, two things at least you keep it in your mind. One is, the women is emotional feeler and men is logical thinker. That is number one. Number two is, the key to communication is understanding. The key to understanding is listening. So I hope this will be useful to you. Start listening to your partner, and with love and compassion and a lot of patience, try to listen so that you can understand their feeling, so that you can help, you can able to make changes in your life. So it will enhance your marriage, it will bring a lot of joy and peace and happiness, relieve you from lot of frustrations. Okay, so I hope this will be a blessing to you. Please share this video to other people, whatever the previous video you listen, also please share it to other people, and like it, comment on it, and subscribe. So it will help us, it will also encourage us. I'm doing all these things for you, so that it will be a blessing to you, and your feedback, your comment, your like, your share will motivate me and encourage me, it will help me. Okay, thank you, God bless you.